In this video, I'm sharing 6 psychological secrets that help you attract leads. Let's get into it. Good copywriting is about 2 things. Number 1, understanding your audience, and number 2, understanding human psychology. Because the more you understand, the more you communicate, the more your copy converts. Now, use these 6 psychological tactics that I'm sharing in this video to boost conversions, trust, and engagement, and to just write better, more persuasive content. You're going to see a huge difference. First up is scarcity. Now, humans fear loss more than they enjoy gains. This has been proven in many studies, and this effect is called loss aversion. People also call it FOMO, like fear of missing out. Basically, if you give people a good reason to buy now, you'll get more conversions, because when people don't act now, they forget. And here's how you can use scarcity in your writing. You can use limited stock, one-time offers, limited bonuses, limited timed offers, and limited access periods. These are examples of things that give your target audience a great reason to buy now instead of waiting and thinking about it and buying later. When you can add scarcity and urgency to your copywriting, you'll get better results. Number 2 is storytelling. Humans are naturally wired for stories. Humans relate to stories. Humans have told stories since forever. I was gonna say caveman times, but I don't know if humans were talking. Well, yeah, they had cave paintings in it, so they could have made stories with the cave paintings without actual dialogue. Humans have been telling stories since caveman times. Humans remember stories better than a list of facts, because that's the way our brains are wired. Here's how to use storytelling in your writing. Share lessons you've learned, share stories about your industry, share your brand story and mission, and share transformation stories about clients. Really, the 2 most useful stories I would say are share lessons you've learned. So a way you'd phrase this story is, I used to do this and got a bad result. Then I started doing this and got a good result. This is the lesson I learned. This is how you can apply it to your own thing. That would be a story. Transformation story of your client would be like, I helped a client get this result in this amount of time. This is how we did it. Before they came to me, they were having this issue. Then I helped them do this, and then they got this outcome. That would be a transformation story. Third tactic is social proof. Humans like following the crowd because we're social animals. We just love to jump on the bandwagon. When we know that others like and approve of something, we're more willing to try it too. This is called the bandwagon effect. Here's how to use social proof in your writing. Show your results, document case studies, display testimonials or reviews, and show other customers buying experience. Most important ones in this list is displaying testimonials and reviews, because it shows that other people had a great experience buying from you and they say that this is a great product. Other people have used it. Other people have gotten the outcome that they wanted to get from it. So this proves that your product or service can help them or similar people get the same outcome. Documenting case studies serves the same purpose, as well as showing your results of what you've achieved. If you don't have any case studies or reviews or anything like that, you can use yourself as a case study and show people that you were able to achieve these results by doing your own thing, and then you show the proof of that. But to turn this into social proof, really the results that you're thinking about would be amount of followers, amount of views, things that prove that other people are interested in what you've got to say. Knowing how to implement these psychological secrets in your writing is very important, but you won't get a lot out of that unless you have great hooks and great post ideas. The good news is you can create 2 months of LinkedIn content with my free 74 LinkedIn post ideas and hooks with examples. Scan the QR code on the screen or click on the link in the description to download these. You've got nothing to lose except for the opportunity to download this PDF, because it won't be free and available forever. Download it now. Number 4 is the authority principle. People trust and listen to credible experts. We're taught to respect and obey authority from a very young age, and trusting authority is quicker than researching. So people often trust authority figures instead of doing their own research or looking into anything. Google the Milgram experiment for an interesting example of this principle in action. But here's how to use the authority principle in your writing. Use studies to back up your claims, use stories from experts to back up your claims, and use quotes from experts to back up your claims. Really, you just want to use outside influence to back up what you're saying. So anytime you've got something to say, you've got a point to make, and you can find someone outside who's an authority figure who can agree with that, insert that into your writing, and it makes your writing more credible instantly. Number 5 is the reciprocity principle. Humans feel obliged to repay kindness. At least, good people do. Some people don't. That's true. But on a whole, humans feel obliged. Like if you do a favor for someone, they'll want to repay the favor because they don't want to owe you anything. Because in early society, helping and aiding each other was key to survival. Returning a favor is getting out of social debt, and cooperation and mutual aid equals social bonding. So it's super important and still is. Here's how to use reciprocity principle in your writing. Give away your knowledge. Give everything away. Give more than you ask for, and give away a free lead magnet. Give before you ask. Number 6, foot in the door technique. People are more willing to say yes to a big request after saying yes to a small request. For example, when you get people to pass the barrier of spending a little money with you, they're more willing to spend more. When they make the first commitment, it's easier to make another commitment. Here's how to use the foot in the door technique in your business, because this is more a business thing than a copywriting thing. Offer a $1 free trial that then turns into a full cost within 7 days. This gets them in the door with an easy, small, low-priced offer, and then you get them to pay the full price in 7 days. Start with a low ticket offer and then upsell to a high ticket offer. For example, higher ticket offer. For example, let's say I give you some LinkedIn post templates for like $9, and then if you like that, maybe you'll want my course on how to write LinkedIn posts for $200. Because you've already spent a little bit of money with me, you're more willing to spend more money with me, especially if you have a great experience with that small expenditure. You're more willing to spend money with me again because you've already built that trust. And give a free lead magnet, and then offer a low ticket offer on your landing page or your thank you page. This is what I suggest for everyone's lead funnel. You start with a lead magnet. So for example, in my funnel, you'll get a lead magnet. So you get my 74 LinkedIn post ideas and hooks. And then on the thank you page, you have the option to buy my LinkedIn post templates. So your low ticket offer should be related to your lead magnet, but you give them something for free, and then you give them something that's cheap. So they get their foot in the door for free. And then you offer them something that's paid, but it's still a low ticket offer. When you use these 6 psychological tactics, you're going to get more trust, more conversions, and more engagement. The more you understand how people think, the easier it is to get them to act. If you got any questions or any other tutorials you want me to make, let me know in the comment section down below, and I'll see you in the next video.